If you've been feeling exhausted, but tired, overstimulated and foggy, if you've been snapping over tiny things that did not bother you, your nervous system may be raising a white flag. Not because you're weak, but because your body has been holding too much for too long. And the wild part, many women over 40 never calls it anxiety. They call it being tired, being hormonal, being busy, being a little off. But the body keeps score, quietly, patiently, until it finally whispers very loudly for you to hear. Name it in the comment what are the signals that your body is giving to you, because naming begins the process of healing. Your body is not dramatic. It's very intelligent. And those symptoms, they are messages to call your attention. And as you learn the language of your nerve system, you do not need the fatigue, the exhaustion to address what is missing. If you resonated, subscribe to the channel. I help women over 40 through daily rituals, yoga, mindfulness, somatic work to come back home to themselves. Thank you for being here today. I'll see you soon.